let me solve the problem number 25 here. So what they asked here is square root of 1089 divided by 121. The value is, they have given that, right? Now how to find? So 1089 that divided by 121. Okay, so now can we divide by 11? That is what we are supposed to check. So yes, it can be divisible by 11. How? You should know the divisibility rule of 11. So this can be divisible by 11. Now let me start dividing by 11. 108, see, 1089 that divided by 11. 11 nines are 99, correct? 9 and 9, again 11 nines are correct. So this will become, what happens, 99, correct? That divided by 121, again you divided by 11. 11 11s are 121, 11, right? So 11 ones are 11 nines are. So this will become 9. The square root of 9 is nothing but 3. The answer is 3.